Hello, this is Holly Walsh again with my tutorial number 4, where I'm going to teach you now how to embed a URL into the site that you are creating. So this is page 1, and then you have page 2. Page 2, we're going to, you can double click, and that way you don't have to keep clicking over here. So we're going to embed, and if you don't know the URL, then just a simple like weather.com, and you can click this one or whichever one image you like and hit insert, and it's going to be down there, and you click on that, and then you type in, and hit in, and that's how you add a URL, and you should be able to use the website once it's embedded. It shows your weather, or you can take it off here and put it on page 1 if you would like. That way you're not, you can move this up a little bit without me. No. I'm going to embed weather.com and insert, and that way it's inserted, and that should be all set for your embedding a video. Thank you.